Hola!
Hola!
And welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. It's the beginning of October and the sky is gorgeous, perfectly blue, no clouds, about 28 degrees.
Right, now I had to write this down because it's a bit complicated, but we're on our way to Playa del Cura beach.
That's complicated.
No, that's not the complicated bit. The complicated bit is the road that we were on, which is called Paso Marítimo Juan Aparicio. Huh?
Or better known as Torrevieja Front.
Yeah, the front of Torrevieja.
Seafront.
But that's actually what they call it. Let me do that again. Paso Marítimo Juan Aparicio.
Whoa.
I didn't do bad there, did I?
Not really, no.
So we're just walking towards the restaurant in the middle, the big white restaurant which everybody knows, and it's a bit of a landmark on, it's the start really of Playa del Cura beach. And we found out this morning, didn't we, what Playa del Cura, there were a couple of permutations of the meaning of Playa del Cura beach. One of them was Priest's Beach.
Do you know why that was?
You tell us why that was.
Because sometime in the 1800s there was a priest bathing in the sea and he drowned.
Oh dear.
So they named it after him, but it's also got another name.
Yeah, because doesn't cura mean healing?
Yeah.
So I don't understand. It might be the language. Comments below if anybody knows any different. If you type into your translate, your Google Translate Playa del Cura, it will come up translated as Priest's Beach. And we wondered about that. We thought cura meant healing. But if you type in your translate Playa de Cura, it will say Beach of Healing or Healing Beach. So we're not quite sure that one letter, because de means of and del means of the, why it should change so dramatically from the word being healing to the word being priest. We don't, but we're not, you know, we're a bit confused about the language, to be fair.
So if you know any different,
let us know in the comments below.
yeah.
But a very interesting point. I think the fact is that it was named after the priest who sadly lost his life in the sea on Playa del Cura beach in the 1800s. But I think it's nice to be known as the healing beach, isn't it, really? Yeah. So it's got a nice little ring to it.
So this kiosk TheTintero is where it starts.
Yeah. Yeah, which is quite a big landmark. Look how busy it is in there.
Yeah.
But it's a lovely place to sit.
Juts out into the sea.
Yeah, it looks like, it feels like you're on a ship when you sat in there, because it looks like a ship with those rails around it. A nice pleasant place to have a beer. And the sea's lovely and turquoise today. Would you say it's turquoise?
Yeah.
It's quite busy as well, isn't it? Look how busy it is.
All them parasols.
And it is October. What do you say, we're 29 degrees?
It's about 28, 29 degrees today. I think it's getting warmer again.
Yeah, I'm sweating. I really am. Loads of activity out there.
This is the most central beach of Torrevieja. There's even a bus stop right in the middle of it.
Yeah. What, by the sea?
Yeah, on the road.
All right, on the road, not on the sea?
Not on the beach.
Is it a bus boat?
It could be.
A boat bus?
Do you know how long it is?
What, the bus?
No, the beach.
Oh, the beach. No, I don't. You're going to tell us, though, because you've done your research, haven't you?
It's 375 metres long.
375 metres, yeah. Well, let's just stop and have a look. You are here. Aquí. Aquí means ear, doesn't it?
It does.
I thought it meant you hadn't washed behind your ears.
You might not have done.
I know. Right, let's crack on. So, Another interesting fact this morning that I checked out. Well, I was just Googling, like you do. And the highest proportion of overseas residents has changed.
Is it?
It used to be.
UK used to be top.
UK used to be top, but the past couple of years, as things have changed, it's actually swapped. And you know, the events in Ukraine have now put the Ukrainians as the biggest overseas residents in Torrevieja. And it's well, I've got the numbers here in front of me. 5,771 Ukrainians are registered now. These figures are from January this year, so it's only what 9 months ago, 10 months ago. So Ukrainians are 5,771, and they're now beating the Russians because the Russians were in second place behind us. The Russians are 4,932. And UK 4,815.
So we've dropped to third place.
We've dropped to third place, yeah.
Do you think that's because of Brexit?
Well, it could be. A lot of people have sold up, haven't they, and gone back.
Yeah.
So we're in third place. We've gone from first to third. An interesting fact for you.
This is supposed to be a very popular bar, restaurant.
Is it?
Pizza number one.
Pizza number one.
Yeah, I keep seeing this advertised on Facebook.
Do they do a meal of the day? How do these do pizzas?
Don't know, I think they do a variety of stuff, but it's called pizza number one.
They haven't got a meal or menu del dia.
No, I don't think so.
I fancy a menu del dia day, do you?
Yeah, we've not had one. Have we had one at all this time?
No.
Don't remember.
We haven't, no. So today's the day.
The teddy bears have a picnic.
Today we're going to have a picnic. What about this one?
Is that
Can't see a sign from
a burger.
The meal of the day.
$11.95.
I don't fancy a burger. I'm on my diet, you know.
Yeah, you're doing really well.
And this morning, a diet report. Yeah, when I came on 29th of August, I think I was 210 pounds. I'm now 203 pounds.
Well done.
I'm doing it in pounds because you can see more of a, you know, you see the pounds go, don't you?
It gives you more incentive if you can see that you're going down.
Yeah. I'm absolutely starving. This looks a nice restaurant, doesn't it?
But I haven't been starving you.
No, you haven't. No. I've just cut down the beer. Let's have a look. Cocktails. They've got an offer. $13.90.
Flores restaurant.
No, it's not got a... Let's have a look at it. I'm
Payolas.
sure the one on the corner does a meal of the day. And I'm guessing it's going to be about $12.95 or $13.95.
Yeah, it probably is now.
So we'll see. It might have come down because, although I've been looking at the beach, it's absolutely chocker on the beach.
Yeah, and the bars are full.
Yeah.
The beach is lovely, isn't it? The sea's really
Yeah, it's always
calm.
clean. Yeah. And the sea is calm today. Very little wind.
Very busy.
It's a beautiful day. I love September, October. I think it's fantastic. I think it's my favourite time of year.
Propolis.
Grill. No meal of the day. Let's try this one.
Amor fino.
Amor fino, brasseria.
You want any shoes, trainers, handbags? Menu of the day there, look.
Oh, menu of the day.
$14.90.
Primeros.
Includes bread, drink, coffee or ice cream.
Wow, it's busy. Look at the paraglider.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me get a picture of the paraglider. Let me just hook my camera on. And look at the wheelchair place on the beach.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Wheel down. Good for push chairs as well.
Yeah.
There's two people on that.
Is it two, is that?
Two lots of legs, I think.
Oh, you see two lots of legs hanging down. Here's a paraglider, isn't it? A paraglider?
Yeah, I think so.
Paragliding. It's not something we're familiar with, is it?
Not something we do
Not
every
something
week.
we do every day or at any time. Lots of beaches in Torrevieja have got wheelchair access, which is really nice to see.
And it's a blue flag beach, which means it's really clean.
Yeah.
And jet skiers out there, look.
Jet skiers, can we get a shot of the jet skiers? Let's have a look. It's all happening today.
Yeah. But it's nice and cool out there.
I mean, it's lovely out on the sea. You know, I could just see it, you know, the wind whipping through my hair.
Your hair?
Yeah.
What hair?
Yeah.
I think it's already been whipped off.
Yeah. I use that wash and go, you know. Shouldn't use that, should I?
You have to use Bosine, it thickens it up.
Bosine. I thought they were
It's a
washing
blast.
up liquid.
That's a blast from the past.
Right, let's crack on then. And we're going to go... We're just going past the restaurants, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're just going to pick one for the meal of the day. We don't know which one we're going to pick. There's two here on the corner, which look quite nice. There's the kiosk. Playa del Cura Kiosco. And they sell
It's ice creams,
ice creams and cans of pop, and
pop and beer.
they sell beer as well.
Yeah.
Peso Beach Restaurant, that's closed at the moment. But the Bella Vista is open.
Good.
That looks nice and cosy and
Got
welcoming.
menu of the day.
Menu of the day, $11.90. We've got the restaurant Esmeralda Playa. And that's 13. Is that 13 for
That
menu
was
of the day?
13.
So not too bad prices. The meals look nice. You've seen a tuna and chips. And there's another one there at €22.
Yes, that's a bit pricey, that one.
Yeah, it depends what you get though, I suppose.
Yeah. You pay for what you get.
And here we are in the corner.
They're down there having a hair braided, look.
Yeah,
You could do that, couldn't you?
I don't think I'd be any good at that.
No.
Just end up in a big knot.
I mean, with yours.
Oh, with mine? No, you couldn't do it with mine.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It'd be cheaper though, wouldn't it?
It's washed and gone.
What do we know about these columns?
The tall.
The tall.
They're one of the most photographed places in Torrevieja,
Really, ever? That's
from what I've
interesting.
read.
I'll have to take a picture.
Bit of a landmark, I think. And
Yeah.
it's the end of the Cura beach.
Yeah, we're just coming to the end of the beach now.
The sunset beach is closed.
Perhaps it doesn't open until sunset.
Maybe. Monument to the cultures of the Mediterranean, they're called.
Right, so,
Better known as the columns.
yeah, and they're all different. And I think that one looks very Moroccan or North African. It's got like the Moroccan style or Arabic style archways at the bottom. And the design of it seems to be very Moroccan, North African. And then we've got one there which looks Greek. It's got the Greek curly whirlies on top, and we've seen some Greek writing. And then this one also looks like it's got Greek writing on it, but it may well be somewhere else, Turkey, no idea. But whatever, they're all different parts of the Mediterranean, and it's a very highly photographed piece of artwork. So I'm starving, me. Are you hungry yet?
I am getting hungry now.
Shall we go for a meal of the day? I quite like the look of the, what do they call that one there?
Bella Vita. Oh, the one, yeah, the Bella Vita one.
The Bella Vita. I think we should go in the Bella Vita.
Right, shall I put mine beside it?
Put yours behind there, because I'm going to use the camera. So yeah, we've just had a nice meal here at the Bella Vita.
Bella Vita.
And, it's very nice. We had a nice salad starter with a egg salad, olives and tomato. That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And I had chicken wings and
They didn't fly away.
didn't fly away. No, we had no problems with them.
Well, lasagna.
And, oh, that's
flying away. Drink
And,
of it.
what did you have? A lasagna, didn't you?
Lasagna.
And I'm just going to have a coffee now, but you're going to have some ice cream.
Have some mango ice cream.
Mango, eh? That sounds a bit Mediterranean, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mango fish.
Oh.
Tengo coconut. It's very good también.
Coconut. Yeah. Coconut ice cream I'm having. No, they've run out of mango.
They've run out of mango. We're going to Benidorm on Friday for a week, and we're stopping at a hotel, self-catering, isn't it, this time?
Yeah.
We were going to stop at the Rio Park, because we really enjoyed the Rio Park last year, but it's double the price it was last year for exactly the same week.
It is.
We paid 218 last year, didn't we?
Pounds each.
Pounds each, so 436. And this year,
It was 836.
yeah,
For the same thing.
for exactly the same thing,
Same
half
week.
board, yeah. So we thought, well, we can't afford that. So we've gone for self-catering. It's the same money, isn't it? And see how we go on. So we'll let you know. Stay
What's it
tuned.
called?
Hey, up here comes your ice
Thank
cream
you.
and me coffee. Thank you, gracias. Very nice. Oh, that looks a nice coffee. I like the cup.
You got a biscuit as well?
Got a little biscuit.
Oh, it's a chocolate biscuit.
Perfectos. You taking a picture of me having my little biscuit?
You picture eating your biscuit.
So there we are. We've just been chatting to Sergio, our very efficient waiter here at the Bella Vita. I had a very nice, enjoyable meal in an absolutely prime location here in Playa del Cura beach with a magnificent view and at a reasonable price, to be honest. I think that was.
Yeah.
To say we're right in
On the
this prime
front.
location. If you're ever down at Playa del Cura beach and you just pass in and you fancy something to eat, just come right into the middle to the corner and you'll see the Bella Vita restaurant. And they've got a meal of the day at the moment. It's $11.95. Is it 95?
$11.90.
11. That's a 5 pence cheaper. So $11.90. You've got meal of the day.
Includes a drink.
Includes a drink. We've had a starter, a main course, an ice cream,
Ice cream.
a beer, and I had a coffee with an ice cream. So very good value for money to say we're in such a fantastic location.
Yeah.
So there we are. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Yeah.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing.
Adios.